Hey, what's up guys? This is David here with the Success Keeper, and I'm bringing you another video today. I created this channel for those of you who are interested in learning how to make money online. We talk about motivation and inspiration on this channel also. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel for daily videos and trainings. And in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about the attractive character about your email marketing. When it comes to email marketing, a lot of people are complaining that uh, their their signups, their people who sign up on their list are not opening their emails. They complain that they're not making any sales and it's usually because they don't understand a couple things. It's either they are creating boring emails that nobody wants to read, or maybe they're copying and pasting something and people just have the feel before even they open the email, they have the feeling that somebody's trying to sell something to them. What is very important is to create attractive um, headline, the subject line. That's very important, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. And also, what's very important is to build a attractive character so people wanna know what you have to say when you send them email. Okay, and today we're gonna be talking about how to create attractive character. Attractive character is not something that that means that you have to look good, you have to be in good shape, wearing nice clothes. It doesn't mean anything like that. It has to be something that comes from within. It has to show people that you have some kind of value for them that you offer, and it has to be interesting. It has to be something that grabs people attention, that uh, they wanna know what you have to say. So we're gonna be talking about this on today's video, and the first thing you have to do to build your attractive character is the backstory. And that's the first step to building your attractive character. And before I go deeper into that, I want to talk about how some businesses create attractive character. Take, for example, Subway. Everybody knows the chain restaurant for sandwiches, the fast food. And I remember when they first came out with a gentleman who was extremely overweight, and they put him on the commercials, and they were showing how by eating their sandwiches he was able to lose weight. And that caught a lot of people's attention, and people could relate to that. They wanted to see some results also from eating the right food. So Subway was able to improve their sales and their customers by simply sharing a story of a guy who was extremely overweight and who started going to Subway and eating their sandwiches. So I just wanted to share with you this example of how to build attractive story, attractive character for your own business. So whatever niche you are in, I highly encourage you to build some kind of success story or interesting story that people will be interested to learn about, and they will wanna know more about your business, how you do it, and they will wanna buy your product or service. Okay, and Subway was using that guy for over 15 years as a success story, and a lot of people were able to relate to him, and they wanted to try what he was doing so they can also lose their weight. Then after some time, they dropped this guy and stopped using him as an attractive character in their story, and their sales declined by $500 million the first year. So that tells you how powerful good story and attractive character is for your business. Another example I want to give you is, have you ever seen a previews for a movie and you saw like the casts that are lined up for that movie, and you really like that cast, you always like their movies, and you saw the previous and you said, oh my god, I gotta go see that movie. It looks really interesting because the story in that previous and the actors in it make it look so interesting. So it's the same thing with your email marketing. You gotta create some interesting story that people want to read about, and you have to create an attractive character for your customers and clients so they are interested in reading your emails and doing business with you. So let's talk about the backstory for a little bit, and I'm gonna read from a great book called .com Secrets by Russell Brunson, and I'm gonna read this short chapter for you to show you what or how to build your backstory. So it says, every good attractive character has to have backstory. It's essential if you want results. Prior to his scandal, if you turned on the TV and saw Jared sitting there eating a sub, he talks about the guy from Subway who was on the commercials, the guy who lost that much weight. So it says, prior to his scandal, if you turned on the TV and saw Jared sitting there eating a sub, what would your reaction be? You'd probably think something like, who is that annoying skinny guy just sitting there eating subs all day? Without knowing his backstory of amazing weight loss, you would be unable to relate to him. He'd just be a dude eating subs. But if you see Jared's backstory, pictures of him at 425 pounds and 190 pounds, and then see him eating subs, it's a whole different story. You might think, I'm just like he was. If he can lose all that weight just by eating subs, maybe I can too. I want to be where he is. Do you see the difference in a potential customer's reaction? You share your backstory because you want people to see where you came from. If they can relate to where you came from, then they will want to follow you to where you are now. If they don't see the backstory, potential customers won't follow you or listen to you. You'll seem untouchable. You won't seem real to them. However, if they see that you were once in a similar situation, then they instantly identify with you and will follow you. Your story has provided a hook. You can then lay out the path and they will want to follow your path. The key is that the story has to relate to the product you are selling somehow. If you are selling a weight loss product, you want to talk about a weight loss backstory. If you are selling investing advice, you want to have a financial backstory. Does that make sense? Now, if you don't have a backstory that relates to your product, that's okay. You can find someone else's backstory and use that instead. This is what I did when I shared Joyce Anderson's story and suddenly became attractive to female buyers. Your students, your case studies, your successful student clients, those are all resources for relatable backstories and attractive characters. The owner of Subway wasn't the guy on TV eating subs all the time, right? It was Jared, the big guy. He was the chain's success story, so he became its attractive character. Your attractive character doesn't have to be you, but your backstory is essential. So this is all about the backstory. Tomorrow we're going to be talking about attractive characters speak in parables. Sorry about that. So I want you to think about it. When you are creating your emails, you have to create attractive character and interesting backstory so people can relate to you, so they can say, oh, I am there where he was before and I want to get where he is right now. And they can relate to you and they want to buy your product or service. Does that make any sense? So that was it pretty much for today's video. That was the first step to creating attractive character for your email series for your clients. And tomorrow we'll be speaking about the second step, which is attractive characters speak in parables. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you tomorrow. You have a good day.